Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to publish your Google AI Studio app to the Play Store. First, open your app inside Google AI Studio. When you open it, you will notice that Google AI Studio only creates a web app. It does not create an APK file. That means you cannot upload this app directly to the Play Store. So we need to convert this web app into an APK file. To do that, you will use a service called App My Web. Start by clicking the Share button in your Google AI Studio app. This gives you a public link to your web app. Copy this link. Now go to appmyweb.com. When the website opens, look at the top left corner and click the plus icon to create a new app. A small form will appear. Type the name of your app. After that, paste the link you copied from Google AI Studio. Then click Continue. App My Web will load your web app inside the platform and show you a preview. It will also prepare the APK file for you. To download or export the APK package, you need an upgraded plan. Once you upgrade, you can export the complete APK file that you will upload to the Play Store. After you have your APK file ready, you can publish it on the Play Store. You will need a Google Play developer account. It has a one-time fee. After creating your account, go to the Google Play console and create a new app. Add your app name, category, short description, and full description. Then upload your app screenshots, your app icon, and your feature graphic. When this is done, upload the APK file you created. Fill the content rating form and the data safety form. After everything is complete, submit your app for review. If everything is correct, Google will publish your app on the Play Store. Thanks for watching.